Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by powering up the Kaxi Clip and getting the essentials ready. Plug in the USB-C cable and charge to about 80% to ensure stable setup. Next, open the Kaxi app on your phone, enable Bluetooth and location so the clip and phone pair reliably. Once done, sign in or create an account and grant camera and storage permissions. This lets the device save clips and update firmware. Make sure the clip's indicator shows pairing mode before moving on. Now you pair and position the device for capture. Use the app's pairing flow and confirm the 4-digit code shown in the app matches the clip's LED pattern so you avoid mispairing. Once paired, mount the clip where you need it, edge, strap, or tripod, making sure the attachment is firm and the lens is level. After mounting, open Settings to enable auto-stabilization and set resolution. This balances battery life and image quality, so choose 1080p for long recordings or 4K for detail. Finally, you record, review, and wrap up. Press the onboard button or tap record in the app. Keep an eye on battery and remaining storage to avoid cutoffs. After recording, review footage in the app where you can trim, export, or sync to cloud storage for safekeeping. If something goes wrong, like pairing dropping or no live preview, reboot the clip, toggle Bluetooth on your phone, and if needed, reinstall the app. These steps resolve most connectivity and software hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.